Akina, clear? So DIBAL is what? DIBAL essentially operates via electrophilic mechanism. Whereas aluminium hydride essentially moves via nucleophilic mechanism. Clear? Done.
Yes, sir.
Now let me show you that the mechanism of this reaction. Let me talk about the mechanism of this reaction. This is for JE, not for boards. Because a lot of question comes from DIBAL, and I'm going to have I have actually prepared a detailed notes on DIBAL. You remember, I will send you long back, which most likely you didn't download and you didn't bother to see. Anyway, doesn't matter. Actually, by the way, among these four substrates we are talking about, it can reduce all these four substrates. The most important substrate, that usually comes in examination is this, that is a nitride and an ester. It can happen with any of them. But from the examination viewpoint, whatever questions have come till now is essentially deals with either nitride or that of ester. So let's talk about esters and look at the mechanism. How does it reduce? So what you have is this. You have got an ester out here. You have got an ester out here, R, C, double bond O. Here you have got two lone pair, OR. And here you have got DIBAL. Now, isobutyl, I said isobutyl.
Yes, sir.
DIBAL isobutyl. Now, I can always write this structure like this, aluminium. I can always write this as like this, and out here hydrogen. But it becomes cumbersome. So, isobutyl, I write down out from this butyl, I write this as Bu, and this iso goes as a superscript, preceding superscript. So, this is isobutyl. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So, I can write DIBAL as what? Aluminium, isobutyl, hydrogen. This is a structure of DIBAL.
Yes, sir.
Now, aluminium is what I said. This particular reagent is basically electrophilic in character. This particular reagent is essentially, this particular DIBAL is electrophilic in character because it has got an incomplete octet. It wants an electron. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, who has got these extra electrons? Oxygen have got these extra electrons. So, the electrons of the oxygen comes and attacks the aluminium. Clear?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yes, sir.
So what kind of compound does it form? So essentially the compound that is formed is like this: R, C, double bond O, lone pair. This is OR. Then you have got aluminium. Then you have got isobutyl. Then you have got isobutyl. And here you have got hydrogen. So this has got a minus because it has taken an extra pair of electrons. And this has given a pair of electrons. So this becomes plus. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, since oxygen is an electronegative element, it doesn't love positive charge. So what is going to happen? This electron is going to move out here. Yes?
Yes,
The
sir.
5 electrons. And since aluminium doesn't like to have a negative charge, what it's going to do is this. It is essentially going to give out this electron out. And it will give to where? It will give to, as soon as this electron goes out, this becomes plus. This carbon becomes plus.
Yes, sir.
So where will the electron go now? The electron will go out here. This hydrogen with the electrons will go out here.
Yeah.
So what does the structure now becomes? The structure now looks like this. You have got R, you have got C, You have got O, you have got aluminium, you have got isobutyl, you have got isobutyl, you have got out here H, you have got OR. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, once we do that, once again, what happens is this aluminium, once again becomes electrophilic in character, incomplete octet.
Yes, sir.
So what happens is this, you have got this O, you take water now, OHH, water has got lone pairs. So what is going to do is this, it is going to give one lone pair to aluminium. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So then what does the structure becomes? The structure now becomes as what? R. The structure now becomes R, C, O, Al, O, H, H plus isobutyl, OR, H. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now Al now becomes what? Al once again now becomes minus. Al once again now becomes minus because it has taken a lone pair of electrons from oxygen. This oxygen goes. From here the oxygen
Yes,
goes.
sir.
The electron goes. So this Al becomes minus. Right?
Yeah.
So what happens is this. So Al wants to discard one of this particular negative charge. So what it does is this, it takes this electron and put it out here, and this OR goes out.